Road to Ripped Abs, Part 1.
4 exercises for abs. Been doing this since my teens. I mainly do these exercises every time I want to build a six pack. I start with the fourth set and I end with the fourth set. So I go 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, done. And then again, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, finished.
Like the video, guys. First exercise is kicking. This is not for everybody. This is for people that can kick. Now, I am not kicking the way I would in a fight or sparring. I am making it as wide as possible, and I am focusing on my abs doing all of the work. So mainly my abs are doing all of the work here, and my leg is going in a different angle. Not really a fighting kick, it's more of an ab training kick. Bam. Moving on to exercise number 1. Now, you place the bar behind you and you go back and forth this way. Try to only use your abs. Only your abs, guys, okay? That said, this is the second exercise. I will go from one to the other, but I will do 100 of each. The main thing with this exercise, what you don't want to do is what I'm doing right here, which is moving my butt from side to side. I'm doing this on purpose here to show you guys how to not do this. This is why I have my legs placed on the machine this way to keep my hips steady. So you're doing all the work with your upper body and not with your lower body. Moving on. Number 2. Number 2 is one of my favorites. First thing you guys want to do is really get that stretch going, like Arnold Schwarzenegger says. Stretch your muscles completely. Therefore, you guys are going to bring your arms like this all the way behind your back, and then you're going to lay down. What I like to do is arch my back like this, like you guys see right here, to get a full stretch, and then I go bang. Not with every set, every rep, but this reminds me to keep my back completely straight as possible, and also keeping my abs as stretched as possible to get a real good stretch and this declined angle, so you really feel it burning your abs. Now the next one, I go like this, side to side. I might mix these up, guys. This is still number 2. I might mix these up. I might do one or the other, or I might do 3 different sets like this. This is another one weight wise. This is another one that I do is with the weights. Now what I do here is the same thing. I just come up, but I try to stretch my abs. I try to keep my back straight. And another one I do here is going from side to side, from left to right. So this is just adding up right now. My abs are already starting to burn. Now, moving on to, number 3. Now, number 3 is more for the lower abs, okay? I will mix this one up too between kicking the way I did a minute ago, and sometimes I will go straight like this, okay? But I will do each rep in one way. I will pick one way. I'm just showing you guys the different ways that I do this. But this one really burns your abs. I could bring my feet all the way down, but I'm already used to doing it this way, so it's not really much of a workout. This is why in this one I'm not going down with my feet that far. Now, last but not least is again the exercise that I did in the beginning, that I started it with and I ended it with. Now, in this one, I'm actually throwing the spinning kick. You guys see it, I'm having trouble with it. I'm losing my balance. I'm having a lot of trouble with that last spin kick. That's because this is the point of the exercise, to make it difficult. That way, when you're fresh, you have no problem at all throwing the spinning kick. Bang, the last one was clean. I always try to make my last one as clean as possible.
And that's it. Those are my 4 exercises. All of that equals 1 set. If you guys see when I first started, the axe kick, tornado kick, no problem, because it was my first set. I do that one fresh. When I do the last one, I don't want you to do right now, my legs were very heavy. It's hard to throw the last set, that's why I do like this. I start with the 4th set, and I end with the 4th set. So I go 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, done. And then again, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, finished. Start with kicking, end with kicking. Before kicking, start with stretching, and end the whole thing with stretching. Do the next video, guys. Catch you later. Woo! God damn, that was heavy.